Remember, always do air kicking first. Always do shadow boxing first. Otherwise, it's just amateur. Now, I will start my kick training the opposite way as I started the shadow boxing and shadow kicking. I will start with what I ended with. So I ended with the spinning kicks and the tornado kicks. I'm going to start with these and then work my way down to the low kick. Now a 7-footer. Ow! So there you go, guys. That was about 16 minutes of non-stop cardiovascular workout. Okay, this is how I always train. I always do the air stop first, always. I never just get to a kickboxing gym and start hitting the heavy bag immediately, because these are bad habits. They're just bad habits. These are some of the bad habits that many schools have in Holland. And it's the same reason why they're always trying to make contact, or they're always getting hit. Because the way they drill is taking. Which is good. It's good because you become great at taking it and giving. And taking it and then returning the kick. What they call a counter here. But a counter is not a real counter unless you catch the person before they attack you. That's a real counter. If they're kicking you first and then you're kicking the person back, arguably maybe a late counter, but in my opinion, that's just attacking after you were attacked and hit. And kickboxing, Taekwondo, boxing, MMA, any kind of striking is the art of hitting and not getting hit. So you will inevitably miss sometimes. For when you miss, you need the air kicking. Also, because when you miss, if you're always hitting the pads, if you're always hitting something, going forward is strong. But what about these muscles to go back, the snapping when you go back? You need that shit for speed. Just like with the jabs, it's not different with the feet. That's why it's beyond me when people telegraph. Telegraph for the wheel kick this way. Telegraph for the roundhouse kick this way. It's stupid. Don't telegraph, okay? Do your training without telegraphing. Now, if you guys want to see a playlist of me exposing Joe Rogan, click here. Playlist of me exposing Michael J. White, click here. Playlist of me dancing, partying, hanging out with different girls, click here. And last but not least, knockout playlist of me knocking out different people in the Netherlands. So the next video, guys. Catch you later. Don't hate the player, hate the game.